Hey everyone, it's Cassius, Tryptamine Astrology Readings. Today is Tuesday, August 9th, and something very interesting happened when I predicted the air would turn cold um in the last several days, because what I anticipated was Mercury in Virgo square Saturn, Mercury opposition Neptune, but at the same time, we were just saved by this extended Venus square Mars, which made the social climate of the day heated, but just heated enough to be warm and to negate the coldness and the lethargy of Mercury square Saturn and Mercury opposition Neptune. So we were kind of saved just now, and we had a formula for the most strange, amazing, peaceful resolution. Such a strange, hazy, watery, warm resolution feeling we've had in the last few days. Some kind of. This is when squares in astrology become not hard and oppositions become not hard, but they become to extreme points of resolution after becoming immune to the intensity of it. Very special type of thing with that. So today, now Mercury is a good distance away from Saturn and Neptune, still kind of opposite Neptune, creating that hazy, spiritual, flowing atmosphere in the air. The fire and warmth that we felt momentarily is mostly dying down, with Venus at 5 degrees Virgo, 3 degrees off squaring Mars. And now, well, we pretty much have a few days of calm, and this is going to be, the feeling in the air right now is going to be mostly suspended until 3 days from now, August 12th. But today we have Moon in Scorpio trine Neptune, while Mercury is still kind of opposite Neptune. So this spiritual resolution feeling today is something that we will enjoy to the fullest. And then tomorrow will be relatively uneventful. And the day that you really, really need to be aware of is this one, August 12th, Friday. On this day, as the universe does in the synchronistic way, the moon is going to conjoin Mars and Saturn and Sagittarius at the exact same time that Venus peaks to square Saturn and Venus starts to oppose Neptune. So Venus touching the point that Mercury recently touched, that will be the true trigger point for the coldness of this final month of Saturn square Neptune. Spiritual, hazy, flowing coldness, and deep, intense resolution to all the events of the last year. It seems that we're more blessed during this time than we have been in a long time, because Mars being conjunct Saturn for this is going to warm it up in a way that is difficult for me to comprehend or anticipate. After Venus peaks at this place and we start purging and flowing into this deep, crazy, watery, hazy social climate, the sun will be trine Uranus, and when that happens, that will be a very positive, warm, electric thing, similar to how Venus square Mars saved us from the coldness of Mercury crossing this point for the first time. So it looks like we're blessed through this, and I'm guessing that this is going to be more about resolution to all the hardships of the last year, and we'll experience some purging, we'll experience some more final kicks of intensity, haziness, depression, coldness. But we also have Mercury conjoining Jupiter around the same time the Sun trines Uranus, and we seem pretty blessed in the final kick of Saturn square Neptune. And of course, Neptune is finally about to be at the south node, and the end of Saturn square Neptune occurs when, Neptune is finally conjunct the south node. And the true final kick of this whole Saturn square Neptune will be when Saturn leaves retrograde and Saturn squares the nodes exactly. That will be like the final peak of the coldness. So, well, it's a deep, intense, climactic type feeling mutable, hazy, flowing, spiritual, intense, euphoric in its strange spiritual intensity. So, that's what we're doing. Much love. Peace.